man.
So my respects to our municipal mayor, Honorable Mayor Cabrales, the members of the Sangguniang Bayan headed by our vice mayor, Honorable Rupi. Sa tanan na iyan na, hindi na ating venue, to our partners from the academy, the Department of Education, mga department heads, barangay officials, other national government agencies, and akaron to our beloved barangay health workers, RH personnel, naupayaan ang ating ibanan, Dr. Gabi, good morning. So, ang tema nato karon sa ating Nutrition Month celebration is all about unity and coordination. Sa pipan, sama-sama sa nutrisyon, sapat para sa lahat. So, have you ever wondered ilang years na tayo nagsiselebrate ng Nutrition Month every month of July? Diba? 50th kung i-official nato sa ato ang year calendar. But despite that celebration or commemoration, we are still having our malnutrition problem in our municipality and in our province. Especially now na nag-iwan na ang ato National Nutrition Council and Department of Health that we are already experiencing the triple burden for the nutrition. Undernutrition, meaning kulang sa timbang ang atong mga kabataan. Overnutrition, ay naapon nag-increasing ang trend sa atong mga overweight and obesity, and the micronutrient deficiencies. Kaya nakita most of our women, especially pregnant women, have iron deficiency, which is micronutrient. Na sana na-receive nila na. So, these are what we call the triple burden. Now, nutrition is a very complex. Malnutrition is a very complex problem. Hindi po siya nasa-solve lang ang health sector. That is what we would want to advocate for this year's Nutrition Month celebration. Na hindi lang enough na ang health sector ang nag-intervene to solve the malnutrition problem. Because we all know the very important roles of other stakeholders to address malnutrition. Most especially ang ating LGU. No? We are very fortunate that our LGUs here in Iligan Province, especially dito po sa municipality of Biliran, primary agenda nila to address malnutrition. Primary agenda ng local government unit of Biliran to address malnutrition. So, with all other stakeholders, for example, ang ating mga punong barangays, sana po alam natin ilan ba ang malnourished, undernourished, or malnourished sa ating mga barangay. Ilang bata ba ang underweight at severely underweight sa barangay ko? Ilang bata ba ang wasted or wasted at severely wasted sa barangay ko? We cannot entirely address or ma-solve ang problem ng malnutrition sa inyong barangay, but it is the most important step, ang awareness that there is a problem. Okay? And also, through this avenue, we can share or we can offer our support to the nutrition program of the LGU. Ang academy also plays a very important role because nagsisimula sa awareness, education on proper nutrition and proper behaviors to address malnutrition. Iba-iba po ang mga roles na ginagampanan ng bawat isa na dito ngayon sa venue na to. And I'm very happy na based sa mga messages na binigay, no, there's commitment, there is that collaboration and coordination to address the malnutrition problem. It's a very complex problem, but together together, kung sama-sama, gaya na sinabi sa ating team, kung sama-sama tayo, kaya natin ma-achieve ang nutrisyon sapat para sa lahat. So, I congratulate the local government unit of Biliran for this celebration today, and may the collaboration and coordination and unity na pinakita natin today will continue on as we aim to address the triple burden of nutrition problems in the municipality of Biliran. With that po, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Vanessa Piloso.